To add visual guides in PyCharm, we have two ways. One is global and another one is local. Global means the visual guides will be visible irrespective of scripting language. It means it will be visible on Python script, on HTML script, on JavaScript, etc. And local means it will be applicable to specific scripting language only. For an example, it will be visible to the Python script only. Let's see how to add the visual guides. So for that, go to this file, settings. Over here, to apply the visual guides at local level, go to this editor. Within this editor, go to this code style. Within this code style, select Python. Over here, go to this wrapping and braces. Over here, you can see that visual guides, which is showing default none. And another option is hard wrap at default 120. So this particular line, vertical line, is the hard wrap at 120 characters. Now we will add this visual guides, let's say at 80 and 100 characters. Now I will say apply and OK. So you can see that PyCharm has added two more vertical line. One is at 80 characters, another one is at 100 characters. Again, this is the local settings due to which these 80 and 100 characters visual guides will not be visible to any other scripting language like HTML or JavaScript or TXT. Now, to add the visual guides at global level, what you need to do is go to this file, then settings, then click on this code style. Over here, click on this visual guides and again add the numbers or the characters at which you want to add the visual guides. So here I want to add the visual guides at 80 and 100 characters. Again, apply and OK. So in this case, this particular visual guides will be visible to any scripting language. So it will be visible for the text file, it will be visible into the JavaScript file, it will be visible to the HTML file. Now, how to change the color of these visual guides as well as this hard wrap visual guide. So for that, again go to this file, then settings, then go to this color scheme. Within this color scheme, click on general. Within this general, click on editor. Within this editor, click on this guides and then click on this hard wrap guide. Now over here, to change the color of this hard wrap visual guide at 120 character, just click on this hard wrap guide, click over here and let's say I am putting the color red over here, just apply and you can see that the color of that hard wrap visual guide has been changed. Again, to change the color of other visual guides, click on this visual guide section and over here again, let's say I want to make the color green. So I will select the green color, again apply and OK. So you can see that color of visual guides has changed to green. This color change of visual guides and hard wrap guide will be applicable to the global level. It won't be the local level. That's it for the day. Thank you for watching this video.